In this tutorial, we will cover the session mirroring in TouchDMIS. What is the mirroring? In metrology, the mirroring allows us to create a part program for one part, and to flip the geometry to measure its symmetrical counterpart. This technique is ideal for symmetrical parts crafted specially in the automotive and aerospace industries. Here we will see how TouchDMIS can handle the mirroring by calculating automatically the coordinate systems, go-tos, points, and head angles. In this way we can ensure that the same measuring strategy is applied for both parts, maintaining quality control and ensuring that tolerances for features and positions are met with the same precision on both sides. In this case, we will use a PH20 to see how TouchDMIS can calculate the proper angle for its symmetrical counterpart. But it works even with 5 continuously interpolated axes like Renishaw Revo. Let's see. We finished the measurements of the first part program. Here you can see the head CS values. After the inspection, go to the TouchDMIS Start buttons, Tools, and select Session Mirroring. A series of dialog boxes will appear. In the first window, you can select to run the program offline before starting the mirroring session. If you are sure or no further editing is needed, select No. Now, the session mirroring window will appear. Here you can select the mirror plane. In this case, we will work in the ZX plane. You can also select the range of code lines to include. A head angle offset can be set. MirrorCAD creates a symmetrical copy of the CAD which will be included in the new mirroring session. A preview of the new mirroring session will be displayed. Here you can compare the points and head CS. We can also work in PCS. That allows us to place the part freely within the machine, removing the head CS limitation that would require us to place the part symmetrically to the CMM table. We are ready to create the new session. Press Confirm. You will notice that the new session will be renamed with the ZX plane selected. You can also rename the new session. In the last window, TouchDMIS will ask you if you want to run offline the mirroring session to update nominals or to refresh the changes. Now we have the new mirroring session created. We can move the part, put the symmetrical one on the CMM table, and align it. Now you can run the mirroring session. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, see our TouchDMIS channel and subscribe.